Today, we will learn Microsoft Excel. We have a new Excel file in front of us. The default direction of the file is from left to right. To change it, we click on Page Layout, then Sheet right to left. We will start by entering some data and numbers to format them. By pressing Ctrl+D, it will copy the top cell, and by dragging the cell like this, it will fill the rest of the row with sequential data. Similarly, we can drag the cell to fill the cells vertically in a sequence like this. And we write some numbers here. And by dragging the cells downwards like this, we fill them with numbers. And here we write, for example, the numbers 20 and 30. Then we drag the cells downwards to fill them with numbers in the same sequence. We highlight the two columns and drag them to the left to fill the cells with numbers like this. That way, we have created a table with horizontal and vertical headings and numbers. To add borders to the cells, we select them like this. Then we click on Borders and choose the desired borders. For example, if we choose all borders, it will add borders to all the cells like this. We select the first row, then click on Font Color and fill the cell color. Similarly, we select the first column, choose the font color, and fill the cell color like this. By selecting all the cells and choosing text alignment, we can align the text like this. To add the $sign, we select the cells, then choose currency. To add the percentage sign, we select percentage, and it will multiply by 100 and add the sign. By clicking here, we can increase or decrease the decimal point. To apply conditional formatting based on a certain condition, we highlight the cells. Then we click on Conditional Formatting. Then, we highlight the cells with conditions, then greater than, for example, greater than 100, and choose the green color for the condition. The color will change for all cells where the value is greater than 100. Similarly, by selecting Conditional Formatting, then highlighting cells with conditions, if the value is less than 100, it will turn red. These are the other options for changing the color based on a specific condition, such as less than, between, equal to, or text contains. This option is selected to change the color based on text content. For example, by clicking on Conditional Formatting, then Text Contains, then typing statement and choosing red color, the text color in the first column will change to red for cells containing the word statement. By clicking on Conditional Formatting, then Top-Bottom Rules, then clicking on Top 10 Items, it will change the color for top 10 values, which can be modified. For example, choosing the green color here, it will change the color of top 10 values to green. By clicking on Conditional Formatting, then Top-Bottom Rules. Then choosing bottom 10 items, will change their color. By clicking on Conditional Formatting, then Data Bars. Then clicking on the first option like this. Data bars will be created, changing in size according to cell values. For example, when changing this value from 210 to 10, the data bar size and color will change according to the new value. And if it's changed to, for example, 400, you'll notice an increase in the data bar size according to this value. By clicking on Conditional Formatting, then Data Bars. There are several options for data bars, as we can see. By clicking on any of them, the color of the data bars will change. By clicking on Conditional Formatting, then Color Scales, and by clicking on one of the choices, the cell color will gradually change according to the values, and by clicking on the other options you can change the gradual colors for values. By clicking on Conditional Formatting, then Icon Sets, then choosing the first option for directional shapes, the direction and color of the arrow will change according to cell values. For example, if we change this value from 200 to 20, the arrow's color and direction will change like this. And if we decrease this value to 200, the arrow's direction and color will turn yellow. As we can see, you can choose other arrow shapes to represent values. And also select one of these shapes to express values. And also indicators and ratings shapes. The selection depends on the nature of the data and the desired way to represent it. By clicking on Format as Table, then choosing one of the formats. Then clicking OK. A new design window will appear. You can select from it the desired design. By clicking on a row and then clicking Insert, a row will be inserted in the same format. To delete a row, click on it and then click Delete. To delete the contents, right-click on the row. Then select Clear Contents. To hide a column, right-click on it and choose Hide. To show it again, select both columns on its left and right like this. Then right-click and choose Unhide. We will stop here for today and continue in later videos. If you like this video, click like, share and subscribe to get the new videos. And visit us at Fairs Solution. Thank you and have a nice day.